most about being Nigerian is my culture, the diverse culture in Nigeria.
I love being Nigerian because my Nigeria energy, the vibe, our beauty, everything on point. We're always on point. The swag, the energy, the music, the entertainment, the sports, on point. We don't lose God.
If I was a Nigerian dish, I would be abacha. It's this thing made out of cassava. The first time you have it, your mind is going to be blown. It's unique, it's different. It looks like this orange concoction, but it's fantastic.
If I was a Nigerian dish, I would be native rice and peppered goat meat.
So an unofficial anthem we have in Nigeria is Davido, Damiduro. I know a lot of people agree with me on this. Emma Damiduro, baby, go.
The unofficial anthem for Nigeria for me, I think, is Moro dance. Do 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 do. Ah, do do do. I love DJ Chicken a lot.
Official Naija motto is this life I can't kill myself. I mean,
what go best with Akara? Bread now. Bread on Akara. 10 out of 10.
Happy Independence Day.
I wish us all the best. I wish us prosperity and most importantly, good governance.
Best talk so far is Imisi. I love the way she presented herself. She did her best to be authentic without really trying to be something else that she's not. So who do you think had the best shout-outs today? I'll be waiting to hear your comments in the comment section. And if you are yet to like and subscribe to this channel, please don't forget to do so. Happy Independence.